So my nephew is 8 months old. He is on the move constantly, and he comes over to my parents' house a lot. So we're gonna create a nice little play area for him, starting with a playpen and a cushy mat to go inside it. Arthur here is demonstrating the size of the mat already. Big square, very plush. This has had so much drool, dog and baby drool. Yes, I know you did do that.
He's 88 pounds. How big?
Yeah, and he's 90-pound dog, so lots of space. And we've got 14 panels here for the playpen. Lots of pieces. We're organizing all the pieces. And yeah, we're gonna put it together and create an amazing space for the baby. So this is a little odd, but this is so it suction cups to the wood floor or tile or whatever you got going on, but you have to put them together. So you got these little suction guys, and it goes in at the bottom. So it kind of like goes in sideways and then just jam it in there. Okay, so we're taking a turn here with the wall. So we put our suction at the bottom into just one of the panels.
Here's how
We're
we
gonna smash it in. Ta-da! Okay, we're gonna put the next panel. We are, yes,
like that.
and we are alternating gray and white. Put it at the bottom and smash it in. Now the top, similar. Just put it on the holes and smash it. Okay, the square is assembled and we still have pieces. What? There's a whole bag right here. I don't even know what they're for yet. Like what? But I gotta say, I'm impressed with our work. Did a great job. The suction cups are on the floor. We've got the play wall over here pointed towards the kitchen area. And then the door is towards like where chairs are, TV up above. And we are gonna put the mat inside so it's a little softer for him. But, okay, so we discovered that these pieces add to the stability of the wall panels. So they go around the suction cup at the bottom. It does kind of lessen the suction, but helps with the integrity of the wall all the way around. So, you know what? It's a good thing. Very good thing. I really like the material. It sounds like playground equipment, which is just fun. I can see why my sister bought one and then said, oh, I don't want to disassemble that and then assemble the entire thing elsewhere. It's got to stay where it is once I put it together. But it really wasn't that difficult. You just kind of need 2 people to make it happen. Okay, finished product. Look at that. That's a good door.
Yeah.
Not bad. It has a little lock on it, which is very nice. Very
And
smooth.
for folding, these guys just
Unlock.
clip up.
Oh, yeah, and then all of a sudden the walls
Now
become more like
yeah, now it
foldable.
all- but you have to remove these before you fold. These little D's.
Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah. So lock on the bottom, lock on the top pretty much for each panel to hold together. So
That's solid.
nice.
That's solid.
And we had to leave space over here for pathway for dogs to the dog door, but not bad. Now, baby can play inside, but we can still see him. He can still see us. All good. Dog approved.